Alright, y'all, so today I'm gonna be cleaning out the inside of my freezer and my fridge, so stay tuned. How do y'all store like stuff like waffles when they start getting low? I usually put them in little baggies, but let me know if there's like a better option so they don't get freezer burned, because this box is too thick and bulky to be in the freezer. Let me know. Alright, so I store my bread in the fridge. I don't have a bread box. Let me know the best way y'all store y'all bread. Alright, the holidays is over. I'm tired of some damn eggnog. I don't want no more. That's it. Thanks for watching.